Losing stubborn belly fat can be a challenging journey, but incorporating healthy habits such as consuming nutrient-dense green vegetable juices can make a significant difference. Green juices are packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber that support weight loss while boosting overall health. These juices are low in calories and high in water content, making them an excellent choice for hydration and detoxification. What makes green juices particularly effective is their ability to promote digestion, curb cravings, and speed up metabolism. They are also rich in chlorophyll, which helps detoxify the body and improve energy levels, making it easier to stay active and committed to your fitness goals. Here are 5 green vegetable juices that can help support weight loss, particularly in reducing stubborn belly fat. Kale and apple juice. Ingredients: 2 cups kale, 1 green apple, 1 cucumber, juice of half a lemon, a small piece of ginger. Kale is high in fiber and low in calories, while ginger can help boost metabolism. Spinach and celery juice. Ingredients: 2 cups fresh spinach, 3 stalks of celery, 1 green pear, juice of half a lime. Spinach is packed with iron and fiber, which can help keep you full longer, and celery is hydrating and low in calories. Cucumber and mint juice. Ingredients: 1 large cucumber, a handful of fresh mint leaves, juice of 1 lime, a pinch of salt. Cucumbers are hydrating and help flush out toxins, while mint aids digestion. Broccoli and pineapple juice. Ingredients: 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup fresh pineapple chunks, juice of half a lemon, a small piece of turmeric. Broccoli is rich in fiber, while pineapple contains bromelain, which can help reduce bloating and inflammation. Beet and spinach juice. Ingredients: 1 small beet, peeled and chopped, 2 cups spinach, 1 carrot, juice of half an orange. Beets are low in calories but high in fiber and help improve blood flow, which may support fat loss. Always choose fresh, organic vegetables and fruits when possible. Juice is best consumed right after making it to retain maximum nutrients. Incorporate these juices into a balanced diet and maintain hydration throughout the day. Incorporating these green vegetable juices into your diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy diet, can contribute to losing stubborn belly fat.